Okay, dear student, good morning to one and all. Let's read this lesson further. Captain Gina's scientist friends had already told her about all good places on Mars from where she could dig out the rocks. Okay, her friends, okay, those who were in the NASA had already told her where to go, which place she has to take out the rock. Okay, now I should go in search on the spots where I can find the right rocks for the test. So she went to the place where she could find the right rocks for the test. She said Corio too went along with her to help her find the rocks. Corio is what? Corio is, as I told, it is the robot that was taken by her to space to help her. The scientists had asked China to collect rock and soil from the surface of Mars because they wanted to see if there was life on Mars long ago. Okay, the scientists want to see and get the test of rocks and soil from their sample, that they could know whether there was a life on Mars earlier. Captain Jaina used her digging tool and collect a lot of rocks to perform the test on them. So what she did, she collected the little amount of mud from the rocks to in order to perform tests. She then took her help of Curio to study the rocks and see if they could be taken back to the scientist on Earth. So whether the collection of the rocks mud can be taken to back to Earth. Okay. Curio helped Captain Jaina study the rocks. It also assisted her digging more rocks from the soil. Finally, it took a picture of Captain Jaina and sent it to Earth for all the other astronauts and scientists to see. So what did they do? The Curio helped whom? The ma'am, okay, Captain Jaina, in order to get the rocks. Okay, and finally she took the picture of Mars with the Captain Jaina in order to show to whom? To other astronauts and the scientists.